Clients often ask me, how do I know if I should go all out or if I should hold back and try to design thinking about the market and what's going to be appealing to future buyers? My rule of thumb on that is 5 years. If you can picture yourself living in this home more than 5 years, if you're calling this your forever house, go ahead, go all out. Let's make this the house that you always wanted it to be, or the apartment you always wanted it to be, or the townhouse, or the whatever. On the other hand, if you're not sure that that's the way it's going to be, if you've got a good reason to think that you might be selling it, that you want to upsize, if this house isn't going to be able to hold your family for the next 5 years, you might want to tone it back a little bit. Tone it back a little bit. Why do I say 5 years? The answer is simple. There's nobody who can predict what's going to be popular in the future. So you might look at something now and say, oh, well, everybody's doing this color this and that color that, and open kitchen or closed kitchen or whatever. In the future, in a few years from now, that might be the opposite. People might be looking at something completely different. Values change, and they're changing faster than ever. To try to chase the market is just a losing game. Don't do it. Plans always change. Life comes at you fast. I know from example. I've got a client who we designed a forever house, and it's on the market. Their life situation changed, and now they're selling it. And guess how long they've had it? 5 years. It happens.